This is the unboxing of the Impulse Sealer machine, 60-inch. This is operation instructions. It comes with the accessories. So this machine is made of metal, pretty good. And the bottom is metal too. And the top part is the metal as well. And here have the dial, you can change the temperature. So let's try this out. Basically you just push and the light is on, it starts heating. And once the light is off, wait for another second and then take that off, the bag should be sealed. So this is a metal bag, so I'm going to try this to see how this one works. I'm gonna put this one here and start to press. Now the light is off. Let me see if it is sealed. Yeah, looks it is. It's pretty fast. I'm going to do another one just in case it's not right. Okay, the light is on. Turn it off. Wait for 1 second. Alright, it's actually pretty good. Let me turn the temperature to a little bit higher, like a 6 to 7, to see how this one works. Okay, light is on, light off, 1 second. It's actually pretty good. And I'm going to give it another try to see if the higher temperature is better. I'm going for the 8. Turn off, 1 second. Yeah, this one maybe looks even better. This machine is durable and it's fast. It's like only 2-3 seconds you can seal the bag. But there's only one thing that's missing, I think, because they didn't tell you what kind of bag using what kind of the heat. So basically you have to guess or just check more information how this one works. I think if they gave you more instruction, that'd be better. So, but I guess that if you give it the higher temperature, it should work better, because the top one I'm using the pretty high, almost to the top, the highest. And you see that I cannot pull this open. It's really tight. You see? All the way. Let me see the edge. No problem. So for now, for this metal bag, I'm using the temperature like here, to 8. So I think that if you are not sure, you can just reference my temperature setting. I just really try to pull everywhere. It won't open at all. Alright, this is a pretty good machine. I like it. I'm going to use it a lot using the metal bag. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.